My dear super learners, how are you? I think you are okay. I would like to welcome all my students who are watching this orientation English grammar class in the country and outside the country. They are learners. In the previous class, I showed you how to make a sentence by using first condition, and in the second class I showed you how to make a sentence by using second condition. Dear students, today I will show you how to make a sentence by using third condition. Again, remind, we know that condition are three kinds of: first condition, second condition, and third condition. We know what is first condition, we know what is second condition, and today we shall know what is third condition. Dear students, when we see the conditional clause, I mean first sentence is in past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. We know there are three kinds of tense, and a pretense is divided into four tenses. So in the tense, you know there is a tense named past perfect tense. So আমরা বলছি যে আমরা থার্ড কন্ডিশন কিভাবে বুঝবো? আমরা বুঝবো ইফ অথবা আনলেস অথবা কখনো কখনো হ্যাড দিয়েও কিন্তু মনের ইচ্ছা প্রকাশ করা হয়, কন্ডিশন প্রকাশ করা হয়। অর্থাৎ ইফ যুক্ত কোনো বাক্য যখন পাস্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্সে থাকবে তখন আমরা বুঝে নেব দিস ইজ থার্ড কন্ডিশন। লুক এট সাম এক্সাম্পল. If you see this example, I think you will be able to understand what is third condition. So, look at the whiteboard. Okay? The students, look at. I was not hungry at all. I was not hungry at all. If I had been hungry, if I had been hungry. Look at if plus subject plus had plus been. Here been is principal verb. অর্থাৎ been এখানে মূল verb হিসেবে কাজ করেছে। অর্থাৎ if I had been hungry, আমি যদি ক্ষুধার্ত থাকতাম, what will be happened? Yes, I would have taken lunch in time. Dear students, we here observe that in the subordinate clause, subject plus would have. Yes, this is the main point. If you see the condition is third, then you will add would have, could have, or might have. After would have, could have, or might have, then verb plus participle. অর্থাৎ ভার্বের past participle. Since the tense is past perfect, we know that the structure or the construction of a past perfect tense is subject plus had plus ভার্বের past participle form. So, if I had been hungry, I would have taken lunch in time, but I was not hungry. So, the condition is, if I had been hungry, I would have taken lunch in time. So, the students, I think it's very clear to you. Isn't it? Yes, I think so. The students, look at second sentence. I was not so rich. If I had possessed a vast property, it means আমি ধনী ছিলাম না, আমি যদি বিশাল সম্পত্তির মালিক হইতাম, what what will you do? অর্থাৎ what I will do, তাহলে আমি কি করতাম? I was not rich, so rich. If I had possessed a vast property, তাহলে আমি কি করতাম? You can complete in this way. I would have set up a hospital. I would have set up a hospital. অর্থাৎ আমি একটা হাসপাতাল স্থাপন করতাম। I would have set up a school. আমি একটা স্কুল স্থাপন করতাম। I would have set up a high school or college. So, dear students, you can complete this sentence uh, according this way. What you think uh, related to the first sentence, then you have to fill up the second, or I mean the subordinate clause. The students, look at another example. Okay, Hassan was meritorious. Hassan was meritorious. If he studied hard, হাসান মেধাবী ছিল, সে যদি কঠোর পড়াশোনা করত, he would have got GPA 5 in HSC. সে হয়তো HSC তে GPA 5 পায়নি। যদি সে কঠোর ভাবে পড়াশোনা করত, তাহলে সে GPA 5 পেত। অর্থাৎ this is if he had, sorry, here I have missed auxiliary verb had. If he had studied hard, sorry, if he had studied hard, he would have got GPA 5 in HSC. The students, I think you can understand. Look at another example. The students, the film ended very fantastically. If you had enjoyed the film, what will be happen? অর্থাৎ সিনেমাটা খুবই ফ্যান্টাস্টিক্যালি ছিল, মজার ছিল, যুগান্তক ছিল। What will happen? If you had enjoyed the film, যদি তুমি সিনেমাটা দেখতে, you could have realized the educative aspect. তুমি এর শিক্ষার দিকটা বুঝতে পারতে, অনুধাবন করতে পারতে। Okay, dear students, look at last sentence. Our college students wanted to go on a study tour. Yes, every student wants to go to study tour for gain knowledge, for gain historical knowledge. Okay, our college students wanted to go on a study tour. If we had visited Mujib Nagar, the students, the learners, have you heard the name of Mujib Nagar? Okay, you know, I think you know. Okay, if we had visited Mujib Nagar, what will be happen? Yes, this is a historical place. We would have gained historical knowledge. We would have gained historical knowledge. Dear students, I think you can understand clearly because I tried my best to make you understand what is first condition, what is second condition, and what is third condition. And I have already showed you how to complete sentences by using first condition, by using second condition, and by using third condition. Remember, dear students, in SHC you will get minimum 1 to 2 marks. And college students, you remember, you have grammar item completing by using words, phrases. You will get also 1 to 2 marks by using condition. So, dear students, If you fail to watch the classes, please visit my YouTube channel, and that's name is Ali Akbar GAS. Okay, my dear students, I think you will try to exercise this grammatical item at your home and enrich yourself in grammar. Still now, bye.